Raw ingredients begin their journey in the soil.
Every batch starts with careful handling. Flour begins as harvested grain. Nothing moves forward without preparation.
Fresh fillings start in the field.
Quality is chosen at the source. Flavor begins long before cooking.
Time prepares what heat will finish.
Separate elements become one supply.
Movement signals the next stage.
The journey leaves the field.
Raw materials are secured for travel.
Containment ensures consistency. The supply chain moves forward.
Ingredients travel together.
Responsibility stays behind.
So that name comes into view.
This is where transformation begins. Distance compresses as supply meets demand.
Precision starts long before arrival.
Entry is controlled and deliberate.
Every arrival is logged.
Authorization allows progress.
Logistics converge at one point. Positioning ensures safety. Stability is mandatory.
Materials cross the threshold.
The journey arrives intact.
Transfer begins immediately.
Raw inputs meet the system. Organization prevents delay.
Verification protects quality.
Each component has a path.
Ocean replaces storage.
Processing is imminent.
The factory prepares to engage.
The facility reveals its core.
Access defines the workflow. Outside becomes inside. Scale supports consistency.
Discipline maintains standards.
Cleanliness starts at the floor. Contamination has no entry. Protection is layered. Systems respond to command. Precision sets the pace. Processing officially begins.
Cleaning begins with motion.
Soil is stripped away methodically. Only usable material advances.
Residue is fully removed.
Technology assists human standards.
Imperfection is filtered instantly.
Human judgment remains essential.
Standards are enforced continuously. Fillings are prepared in parallel. Flow is carefully controlled.
Delicacy requires restraint.
Purity defines flavor.
Components prepare to unite. Moisture is carefully reduced. Readiness replaces preparation. Transcription. The core process awaits.
Nothing proceeds unchecked.
Transformation is about to begin.
Structure is removed to reveal substance.
Waste is diverted instantly.
Accuracy. Accuracy follows automation. Precision is applied by hand. Size defines consistency. Uniformity ensures even cooking. Heat prepares the texture. Heat is arrested deliberately. Timing controls tenderness. Fillings balance firmness.
Aroma is unlocked mechanically.
Flavor is measured, not guessed.
Separation ends here. Components become filling.
Texture is engineered.
Control prevents deviation. The core is complete.
One half of the samosa is ready.
The shell begins as powder.
Structure is built through force.
Elasticity defines resilience.
Mass becomes manageable.
Thickness is precisely controlled. Consistency replaces variation. Portions define yield.
Nothing usable is wasted.
Shape gives identity.
Closure ensures containment.
Human assurance remains vital.
Order prepares for heat.
Stability prevents failure. Stability prevents failure. Transformation demands heat.
Texture is forged in oil. Crispness is engineered, not rushed.
The samosa is fully formed.
Heat must be released gradually.
Temperature stabilizes texture.
Balance replaces intensity.
Structure is confirmed by feel.
Uniformity is enforced mechanically. Safety is non-negotiable.
Trust is verified continuously.
Consistency is measured precisely. Deviation is corrected instantly.
Order supports automation.
Automation assists scale. Speed meets delicacy.
Eyes never tire.
Oversight remains human.
Throughput multiplies efficiently. Flow is never allowed to stop. Control precedes completion. Final refinement begins. Excess is removed, not ignored.
Texture depends on restraint.
Shelf life begins with data.
Balance completes cooking.
Clean lines protect quality. Responsibility remains visible.
Precision feeds automation. Flow is never broken.
Completion is in sight.